Who are these from? Why is there no card? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited, it's that time of the month. It's Boxycharm time! Here's this month's box for the month of February 2020. For those of you who aren't quite familiar with what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box, and this is the $25 a month box. For $25 a month, you get over $125 worth of beauty products, and that can include makeup or skincare, and sometimes hair care products as well. I'm super excited. I have not seen any spoilers, except I do recall for once, because it was so exciting and unique, the item that I got to select. So each month, as a member of Boxycharm, you get to select one item. And this month I selected, the first time ever in a box, a foundation. So let's dig in. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Where's my card? Normally there's a card that comes that gives pricing and information, and I don't see a card. Okay, so the first item, are these wipes? Without a card, it's going to be hard to tell. Grab my glasses. I was hoping to read everything at the end. So these are Evio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Ooh, there's a trend with hemp. I like a good wipe. Well, we shall see. At the end, I'll open this to see if it has a scent, because the writing's too small for me to read the ingredients. Okay, that's item number one. Item number two, Ciate, London. Okay, so with the beauty boxes, both Ipsy, Boxycharm, and even, Allure box. Sometimes there are they're definitely repeat items, like a black liquid eyeliner, but I noticed that Ciate London is a brand that shows up quite frequently. I've gotten a highlighter, I think a blush, I think last month. Those who didn't get the highlighter got a blush. I'm wondering if they're just getting rid of extra product, and this is a blush maybe? What is this? 1 second while I open the box. Oh, it's a loose powder. I swear I've gotten a loose powder from Ciate London before. Oh, let me show you the product. Okay, so we got a loose powder from Ciate London. To be honest, I don't use powder a lot in general, and particularly loose powders. I'm also pretty sure on my beauty profile I say powder's pretty low, but I will have to check that. Alright, the next item, brushes. I love getting brushes. Is that rose gold or an orangey color? 1 second, because I'm sure you don't want to listen to crinkling. Okay, we got 3 face brushes. This one, oh, they're really soft. It's not super dense, but this is a good blush brush or for contouring or bronzing. This is good for putting on foundation. And this brush is good for a highlighter. Who are these from? Why is there no card? Did you guys get a card in your box? Let me check. Okay, so these brushes, this is a brightening brush. Fancy way of saying highlighter. Oh, the brand is... I think this says Alamar. Oh, interesting. They call this the bronzer brush. And then this brush, interesting, Complexion brush. This is shaped like every other blush and contour brush I've seen. This is, well, it's probably a little not dense enough for foundation. It might eat up your product, so this is a contour brush. I don't know. I would use this for foundation. Brushes are brushes, and you can use them for whatever you like. Okay, so that's item number 3. This brand I am familiar with. This is the Facial Radiance Pads from First Aid Beauty. What is a facial radiant pad? Is this just a makeup remover? Oh, it's in French. Oh, it helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. What ingredient helps to brighten? Okay, so it's safety sealed. I'm not going to open this right now. Let me see if I can read what it says. Directions. Wipe pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. Okay. I will definitely use this product, and it's new and different. I've only been getting Boxycharm since September, but I've never received a product like this, actually, in any of my subscription boxes. Okay, I saved the best for last. Ba, 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 ba. This is a foundation from BECCA. And let's see how good they did on the color swatch. Let's find out what color they sent me. Okay, so this is BECCA. It's the brand. I'm trying to find the name of the product. Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Cashmere. Let's see. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, that's heavy. It's a glass bottle with nice, probably plastic, but it looks and feels like metal. Oh, wow. Interesting. It's not a pump, and it's not even a paddle. It's just a straight stick. Huh. Let's do a swatch. So that's it, just globbed on. Let me smooth it out. Maybe a little dark for me. I find it hard when you go on a website and they have the colors, trying to find the right one. You know what? It's at the end of the day. I'm just gonna smoosh it on my face. It's really hard with the ring lights. I will definitely have to do a a separate try-in and review. So let's recap what we got in this month's Boxycharm. We have a foundation, the first ever foundation. The lid that doesn't screw shut. Oh, you press it down. Okay, we have a BECCA foundation. We have a Ciate London loose powder. We have Yodi. We have some exfoliating and toning facial pads. Some hemp cleansing wipes. What am I missing? Oh, brushes. That's a pretty good box. What do you guys think? Did you enjoy your box this month? Did you get a card? How are we supposed to know the pricing and how to use the products from the descriptions they give if we don't have a card? Huh. I'm confused. Okay. There we go. That is the February 2020 Boxycharm box. It's a $25 a month subscription. I would tell you what iteration I am, but I have no clue. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified of future videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a good evening. Hi everyone, Editing Julie here. So, first fix. This BECCA foundation, when I originally pulled the lid, the pump was stuck inside, and so you saw, or what I thought was, this is the applicator. It does come with a pump. That's a good thing. The second thing is I promised I would do a smell test of these refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Okay. Not only do these have a scent, it's no bueno. They stink. I use them, and not only does it kind of have an odor as you're putting it on, the smell lingers. So it might be good, like, to wipe off swatches on your hands, but I don't want this anywhere near my nose. So that's the update. Thank you.